welcome back. Now, I've been looking forward to this project. I've got a couple of recycled materials. I've got some 25mm ply. This beautiful piece of ply this is. And we've got some mahogany that was given to me by someone as well. Now, I'm going to be making a bandsaw box with a slight difference. The front and the back is going to be the ply cut in such a way that you get this lovely pattern. Can you see that? Once you've cut them all and you've glued them all together, you've got a block which looks like that. And then the centre of the box is going to be this mahogany. So that's at the front, mahogany in the middle, and then that at the back as well. Let's see how it turns out. But look at that, is that funky or what? You know what, I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed myself making this little box. Well, it's not quite a little box, it's quite big. I mean, that's my hand. And I've learnt a lot along the way, and I'm going to be doing this process a lot more, I think. It is a long process, but once you do it and you get it right-ish, it just turns out so cool.